What is up, guys? Thank you so much for stopping by at the channel again. So the moment that we've all been waiting for, it's going to be the 4-inch versus 5-inch exhaust system for the Duramax. Now my current system that I'm running is a 4-inch Sinister straight pipe. Okay, so no muffler, no cat. Everything is straight pipe, all the way going back to an MBRP down pipe. Okay, so the setup that I had last time was a 5-inch Magnaflow straight pipe going all the way back, you know, 3-inch down pipe. So that's kind of the sound clips I'm gonna give to you today. Pretty interesting, because if you guys are interested in maybe doing a performance exhaust on your truck and you're actually curious to hear what it sounds like, you're gonna get a better understanding. So the truck that I'll be using today is going to be my 2007 LBZ Duramax 2500 HD 6.6 liter diesel. Okay, so that's what I'll be using. But stay tuned, guys. I got my son with me right now. He's just hanging out with me. Just got off work, so I figured I'd throw this video together for you guys really quick, so enjoy. Doing about 45 cruising. So that'll wrap this video up for today, guys. Let me know in the comments if you guys like the 4 or the 5-inch exhaust. Let me know either way. I personally do not have an opinion on this one as of yet. I think that the 4-inch exhaust is It's not as deep. It's putting out more of a turbo noise. It's a lot quieter in the cab, which I kind of like. But then again, I like the 5-inch exhaust because it's nice and deep. It just sounds mean. So you guys let me know what you personally think. Would you rather have a 4-inch or a 5-inch? Also, June 23rd is the meet and greet. I know a lot of you guys were asking me that question. That's when I'm going to have it, guys. If you are interested in stopping by at Perry Auto Sales in Perry, Michigan. So basically what's going to end up happening, guys, is if you're from the local area or you do want to travel and stop by and meet me. Yeah, he wants to go too. Thinking about inviting Backroaddiesel too as well to the event. Hopefully he could stop by, and then a few other guys that you may know on my videos that you've seen are going to be there. So I look forward to seeing you there. It's June 23rd. I know it's kind of far out there, but I just want to give you guys some warning there. If you don't have to have a diesel to be there. It doesn't, I don't care what you drive really. If you just want to stop by, say what's up, meet and greet, that's basically what this is all about. Stopping by. Also looking at the cool diesel trucks for sale there. I know that it's just starting off there in the local community. I think he's doing a pretty good job. So other than that, guys, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for stopping by. Again, thank you so much for the sticker sales, the Duramax Life sticker sales. And let's keep this going. I do have a few other trucks that sent me some pictures with the sticker on their back window. So I'm going to add that. Basically, if you guys order one of my decals and you put it on your truck or wherever and you send me a picture of it, I'm just going to throw it in my video somewhere just to represent you. I think it's kind of a cool little interaction thing. Also, I do mail time once at the end of every single month. And if you guys feel compelled to send me something cool, shout outs to your YouTube channel, your business, whatever, go ahead and do that. I left my P.O. box in the description below. But stay tuned, guys. I appreciate your time, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.
Hey.
He said bye. Take care, guys.